Tuya Intelligent Networking Tutorial. 1. Download Tuya Smart App and log in. Open the App Store of your cell phone. Search for Tuya Smart in the App Store and click Download. Open Tuya app. Registered users can log in with their account and password, and unregistered users can register first. 2. Create a family. Click Me. Click Home Management. Click Create a Home. Enter home name and location. Click Confirm, then click Save, and after successful creation, click Done. 3. Operate the smart lock to enter the distribution network mode. Touch the digital area to activate the smart lock. Press the star and well keys. Enter the administrator password. Press the well key to confirm, and enter the system. Press 2 for wireless settings, then press 1 to add a network. At this time, the smart lock is in the distribution network. 4. Operate the phone to enter the distribution network mode. Click on Home. Click on the plus sign in the upper right corner. Click on Add Device. Select Camera, Lock. Click on Lock Wi-Fi. Click on Enable Bluetooth Distribution Network, and then click on Next. Choose 2 for G Wi-Fi at home, not 5G Wi-Fi. Enter the Wi-Fi password and click Next. Adding Smart Lock successfully, click Done. At this point, the smart lock is also successfully connected to the network. 5. Remote unlocking. Touch the doorbell button, and the phone will receive an unlock request. Swipe left to refuse unlocking, and swipe right to unlock the phone. 6. Alarm and unlocking records. Click on the horn icon to view the alarm information emitted by the door lock. Click on Door Opening Record to view the door lock opening record. 7. Member Management. Click on Member Management. Click on the plus sign in the upper right corner. Select the member type according to your own needs, and click on Other Member. Enter name, region, account, and click Save. 8. Temporary password. Click on Temporary password. Select the type of temporary password according to your own needs. Click on Time-limited password, and then click on Add. Enter a 7-digit password or click Generate randomly. Enter password name, effective time, expiration, and click Save to use it. Smart Linkage. Click Own Smart Linkage. Open Family Go Home according to your needs. Customize and edit conditions, assignments, and click Synasive. 10. Delete devices and delete households. Click on Edit in the upper right corner. Click on Remove Device. Select Remove and Clear Data, and click on Confirm. Click Me. Click Home Management. Select Common Member. Remove Common Member first, then click Delete Home.